how to scan the photo in cam scanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan the photo in cam scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You can see I have opened up the cam scanner application, and now you can see the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. So you have to tap right here on this camera icon to scan the image. And after that you will get this interface. In cam scanner application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.